The pad-eye anchor is our most permanent anchor. It can be adhered to a wide variety of surfaces and is a great solution for heavy MoonShade users whose vehicles are not compatible with our Sprinter rail, our 1/2-inch Basecamp rail, or our 3/8-inch anchor solutions.
When you order the pad-eye anchors, you'll receive 2 stainless steel metal anchors with sticky backings, screw holes, and 4 screws for each.
When mounting the pad-eye anchor, you're only going to get one shot. Once the 3M VHB adhesive, which stands for Very High Bond, makes contact, it cannot be removed without ruining the mounting tape. So it's important to have a plan in place before removing the backing and installing. Watch this video once or twice before doing so.
First, set up the MoonShade, which we will use as a guide to measure the spacing of the anchors.
Next, clip the vehicle-facing corners of your MoonShade into the pad-eye anchors. So if you prefer to orient the MoonShade on the 9-foot side, then you'll clip the pad-eyes onto that side of the shade. And if you're preferring to orient the shade on the 7-foot side, you'll clip the pad-eye anchors into those 2 corners.
We find most people prefer the longer 9-foot side to sit against their vehicle, so we're going to clip the pad-eye anchors onto those corners. Next, clean the mounting surface well with glass cleaner or rubbing alcohol.
Use the MoonShade as a guide to mark the anchor mounting location with a removable marker.
Remove one pad-eye anchor from the MoonShade, then remove the 3M VHB cover.
Mount the first pad-eye anchor by pressing the adhesive firmly into place on the surface. Double check the placement of the second pad-eye using the MoonShade canopy as a guide. To prevent leaks, we suggest using a sealant such as butyl tape or lap sealant.
Once both anchors are stuck in place, fasten with screws. The included screws are self-tapping, but you may wish to drill pilot holes.
And that's it. Just set up the MoonShade like usual with guy lines and stakes, grab a drink, and enjoy the shade.
If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@moonfab.com. Thanks for watching.